All right, folks, really quick, guys. On the Makita reset pack, it also works on the impact wrench, the high torque. All right, the big boy. Oh, there's a plane. It's a bird. No, it's a jet. All right, so we got the high torque. We're going to be able to bring that down. Okay. Now, again, you know my feelings on this impact wrench. It's not bad. It's good. It'll last forever, guys. But when it comes to the high torque, Milwaukee's, still got a little bit of an edge on her. All right. And for the price, 192, listen, you can get the compact, right, for $100. Actually, I think it's $90. Okay. And the mid torque, let's see. Let's really do this. Let's see if it works on the mid torque. All right. Let's just see. So I really like the mid torque. All right, and it's a great option. Let me see. Now we know it works on the reset, but it also works on the impact driver and the hammer drill. Yeah. You see? But I think it might work with the 5. It might work with the 5 still. Well, let's see. I mean, you got time? You guys good or what? Well, let's get rid of some of this stuff. We just did the Milwaukee hacks on the OPE and all that. It was fun. Everyone had a good time. 192 is just, it's a great impact wrench. But, we right now, I think you got until tomorrow, right? I just talked about it with some of these Milwaukee hacks. The 400, save 150. You might be able to get the high torque. I think it was part of the hack for about the same. What am I doing? I'm just, yeah. All right, I think that got rid of everything. Not everything, but yeah. All right, 239. Let's put in the Makita 5. Oh, yeah. Oh, I just want one. I just want one. I just want one. You creep. I'm not done yet, guys. See, see? We know we can do it but they got it right here. Let me see. No. No. All right, so it's really just the high torque, guys, and of course the impact driver. Let's try the 4. All right, let's try the 4 and see. Okay. All right, we got the 4 in there. And I'm sorry. Might waste people's time here, and but let's just calm down. See, I hate when it does this because it just. Yeah. See? Alright, it doesn't work. It's only on the high torque. I'll put the link below if you're interested. Peace.